Myth. Sam Altman's salary is only $65,000 a year because he is an altruist running a nonprofit, OpenAI, to make the world a better place. Fact. Sam Altman is one of Silicon Valley's most prolific investors, essentially operating as an independent holding company with massive stakes in a variety of local enterprises, valued at around $2.8 billion earlier this year. This is a reoccurring theme among CEOs. Warren Buffett, for example, has paid himself a $100,000 annual salary since the 80s. They often pay themselves the least amount possible to maintain the optics of fairness both publicly and to the IRS, promoting humility and a sense of greater purpose in the process. But what's the real reason? Well, taxes. Now, this isn't meant to be some kind of conspiratorial, anti-billionaire video essay of sorts. You can leave that up to your stoner buddies. It's more of a hard-boiled look at a very commonplace practice among the financially savvy elites and leaders of the modern world. As we all know, a significant chunk of our income goes to the IRS each year. Many CEOs have relatively enormous stakes or equity in their own companies that grow without being taxed, also known as unrealized gains. Sometimes they even take out loans against these enormous unrealized portfolio holdings to fund their groovy lifestyles, avoiding the taxation that comes with realizing capital gains, or in layman's terms, selling off their stake or equity. Billionaires are suspected to average an effective tax rate of around 8% due to these savvy tax sheltering approaches. Their uber wealth comes from putting their money to work rather than the other way around. Ouch. Well, kind of. Many of these tax strategies are more within the reach of average investors, solopreneurs, etc., than they realize, albeit at a much smaller scale. Whether it's transitioning your LLC to an S-Corp when appropriate, or maximizing tax-sheltered accounts via prudent placement of assets, also known as asset location, there are plenty of ways that you can make your money work for you and minimize your tax burden in the process. Want to talk more? Send me a DM and let's brainstorm together. Let's make your money work harder for you and not the other way around. Oh, and one other thing, stay around the clock. Thank you.